In Japan's Osaka International Expo, a fascinating invention has taken center stage, one that might just change how we think about bathing, forever. Science company has revealed something straight out of a sci-fi movie, yet it's very real. A machine that washes and dries a person using smart, advanced technology, and it only takes 15 minutes. Let's take a closer look at this incredible innovation, another reminder of how Japan continues to stay years ahead of the curve. It's called Mirai Ningen Sentakuki, which translates to the future human washing machine. From the outside, it looks like a sleek, oval-shaped pod. But step inside, and you'll find yourself in what feels like the cockpit of a futuristic jet. Once the user sits down, the pod starts to fill with warm water. But here's where it gets impressive. Built-in sensors begin scanning your body, checking your heart rate and even reading your emotional state. Based on that, the AI system adjusts the water temperature and flow to match your comfort level. And forget soap. This machine releases millions of microscopic bubbles that gently reach deep into your skin's pores for a soft, thorough cleanse. Then, ultrasonic waves create fine vibrations to lift away dirt and dead skin, without you moving a muscle. But the experience doesn't stop at cleaning. If the system senses stress or anxiety, it responds by showing calming lights, peaceful scenery, and even playing soothing music to help you relax. Once the wash is done, the pod switches to drying mode, blowing warm air from every direction to leave you refreshed, clean, and completely relaxed. All in just about 15 minutes. Interestingly, this isn't the first time Japan tried something like this. Back in 1970, at the same Osaka Expo, Sanyo introduced a similar concept called the ultrasonic bath. It wowed the crowds but never made it to the market. Now, more than 50 years later, one of the original engineers, 84-year-old Nijia Maya, helped bring this concept back to life, powered by today's technology. In a world where tech is everywhere, this invention reminds us that innovation isn't just about speed or performance, it's also about comfort, care, and quality of life. Japan's human washing machine may seem quirky, but it could be the future of wellness. And once again, Japan shows us that the future often starts in the most unexpected and fascinating places. If you enjoyed discovering this piece of futuristic tech, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next innovation that's shaping our world.